Hey you guys, good morning. How you guys are doing? Right now, I'm helping my daughter with her remote learning, and just want to say hello to you guys. And today is VLOGTOBER day 6 for me. I started September 30th, so yeah, day 6. So I'm happy for you guys to be here with me on this journey. See my daughter here. Supposed to be doing her work. So yeah, if you're new here, don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel. Hey, I am looking so dry right now, but don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new here, welcome, and look at my other videos that I have, and thank you for being here. So I'll keep you posted today, whatever I do today. I'm not really doing anything at all, but yeah, so thank you for being here. Happy VLOGTOBER. Right now I have a cup of hot green tea. I usually drink tea almost every morning. But I love drinking tea. Tea is like the best thing ever besides water. It's good, it cleans you out. It's very healthy for you. And especially this one, green tea. Antioxidants, everything. So if you're not a tea drinker, I suggest for you to start. It's especially if you want to maintain your weight and just to help you with everyday life. I mean, it helps me throughout the years, and I just love tea. I'm not a coffee person. It's not coffee to me. It's not nasty, but I'm just not a coffee person. I love tea, and I don't even need to put sugar in it. I love tea so much. Tea is the best. Hello, you guys. Now I am working out, and I love this kettlebell. It's only 7 pounds. Oh, excuse me, I just sneezed. It's only 7 pounds, but it gets the job done. Soon I'm gonna get a 10 pounds also, and I just love doing workouts with it, and it's amazing. So if you don't have a kettlebell, get one. It's good for core workouts, for your arms and your back. It is amazing. Go get it. I got mine from Models, so get it. Now it is dinner time. I'm cooking baked chicken, but right now I am drinking 19 Crimes. This wine is so good, and I love to get the red wine, 19 Crimes with Snoop Dogg, my honey in my head, Snoop Dogg on the cover. It's so good. If you like Merlot, you'll love this. Now I am about to clean this chicken wings and season it really good and bake it. I'm going to put a little barbecue on it also. And yeah, so this is the chicken that I seasoned. I put turmeric, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and sesame. It is so good. And I put a little bit of oregano on it also with a little water, and I'm going to put it in the oven. It is going to be bomb. So freaking good. Then when it's done, I'm gonna put barbecue on it, put it back in the oven to cook some more. And this is the finished product with corn on the cob, rice, white rice. It is so good, and the gravy from the sauce from the chicken, it is so bomb. And my kids and everybody else love it. So you should try it too. You hear family food in the background. But yeah, so I'm gonna enjoy this, and I hope you have a good night, and don't forget to like and subscribe.